Hey guys, so today we were done from the mall, and I got these squishy things. They're these squishy things.
Hot stuff.
Other YouTube channel has this. She got like the whale and stuff. I got the ice cream cone, and then there's this little bag. It's from what's the name? Party Paradise, and I have it. I have this.
Party Paradise.
Here's these
Ding-ling.
little these little erasers. I could show you what they look like. Hold on. I could show you what they look like.
Give me my hot stuff.
These are what they look like. They're super
I'm
tiny.
looking favorite color.
They're so tiny. Wait, I'm just gonna put in 2
This
and
one.
then... Which one?
My 8 wall.
Come on, ADD.
Okay. And then they're so
You
tiny.
ADD.
They're so tiny.
She does,
It's not spill.
you know what?
There's those little tiny flowers. They're so tiny that it fits in my hand. So yeah. Now
No.
we're gonna squish it. So now I'm gonna squish this. It just turned off there. It just does it.
Watch out, because this battery runs by electric.
Yes, I got the pink one and white ice cream cone, and it goes up. For my 8th birthday, my mom and dad's gonna get me chocobays, like big ones, but not the onion. The onion smell is disgusting. This? No, it's not real. So yeah, it's squishy. Some of them they don't have chains. They have it without chains. Yeah, it's squishy. It goes. We're in a rental car.
We're in my DI.
So yeah, my dad's outside and my mom's behind and my brother's in the car. And you could roll it up. And it
Roll
just,
up like what?
it's like a little ball. You can play soccer.
You don't play soccer?
I used to.
No, you don't.
Bye, guys.
Bye guys, see you next time.